The Albany-Saratoga Speedway, along with Chris Grady, presented the annual John Grady Memorial on Friday night. All divisions were in action, with each competing for extra money. The dirt car modifieds competed in a 43-lap event, paying $4,300 to win, while the dirt car sportsman and the dirt car pro stocks each competed in $1,000 to win events. The limited sportsman division raced for a $750 to win event Friday night, while the street stocks were also on the card. Picking up the wins were Peter Britton in the dirt car modifieds, Chris Crane Jr. in the dirt car sportsman, Rob Yetman in the dirt car pro stocks, Nick Brundage in the limited sportsman, and Al Relier in the street stocks. Here's a look at the sights and sounds of each division's victory lane, with the exception of Al Relier, who unfortunately I didn't get down to victory lane to grab.
It looked a little better. They gave us a little first. We got to get that one. My buddy Doc knows where you live, actually. Yeah, we were just going to yes, exactly. We get one more, Chris. Yeah. One now, Steve. Huh? You got one now? Yeah, we didn't get last week. You gotta get two. Yep. Got one. Yeah. Hold on, give me a second, Rob. Or I'll just use the last couple. Nobody can pass, Rob. I could.
Thanks for watching, everybody. And remember, the Albany-Saratoga Speedway is back in action this Friday and Saturday night with the annual Malta Massive Weekend. This has been a LaGrange Media production.